All right, yeah. So I'm just this part two. All right. So I'm thinking these motherfuckers think they above the law. I hope y'all able to keep up with the way I'm doing it. Okay. Um. Yeah. So I'm like, yeah. These motherfuckers is feel like they above the law. Or above God. You see what I'm saying? So it made me think about dying on the cross. So somebody trying to kill me on the cross, trying to rearrange my motherfucking life, because that's what this little girl, was putting in her video this morning. Something about something changing into whole's life rearranged or whatever. So this that motherfucker that, probably bop, and she probably get on her, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I feel like they trying to turn me into, right? Which makes me think, while I'm waking up with my throat like this, it's almost like somebody shoving something down my fucking throat. I don't even know if we're talking about some kind of chemical, some kind of something or whatever. Because I feel like somebody was trying to, or maybe somebody had to pump my stomach because of like, I just be thinking like in another fucking realm, what the fuck be going on? Okay? What be going on? Obviously somebody want me to shut the fuck up, okay? But again, these people so whack, just like that fucking card that keep popping out of my stack, that they, whatever they're doing, they can only do it to me in another fucking realm, okay? It's almost like blind God energy or blind justice will be had though. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, this is the whole energy of dying on the cross, okay? So even with that, the leopard changes spots, look at this. This energy, this is the red, the black and yellow energy, okay? And then we have this, I think this green and gold is the same colors, if I'm not mistaken, that's on that other coat of arms where a leopard changes spot. So this would let me know that somehow, whether it's in this dimension, another realm, or a secret life, these motherfuckers got to be working in cahoots. Okay? These motherfuckers got to be working in cahoots, whether they know it or not. And that's what I'm saying. I don't know if everybody know who's involved, what's going on. But again, can that motherfucker change his spots? If you been low-key hating on the motherfucker the whole time and low-key around the motherfucker low-key the whole time, low-key married to a motherfucker getting fake divorces and shit long time, then what the fuck? You see what I'm saying? Ruthless. Ruthless. You understand? If you ain't like chunky girls, then how the fuck you like them now? But even if you do like them now and you secretly do, motherfucker, you was, and that's what I'm saying. It's like you was never planning on really being really, you know what I'm saying, real about the shit, okay? And then black and yellow also make me think about what the fuck this bitch look like. Okay. Now, I'm not trying to be funny because she's all right, It's just so funny because I was watching her video one day and, this masculine was kind of getting on whatever her car or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So while she thinking she won a prize or something, I don't know what the fuck, because I don't know whose team motherfuckers is playing on. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers hate well unless she, okay. All right. We could be talking about somebody that's not. We could talk about somebody that's in the likeness of a woman, but may not be. Okay? Just saying. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. All right? So again, when we talking about, y'all seen them words that keep popping up in the motherfucking view. I don't even have to say nothing. You understand what I'm saying? That's what a real reader do. These other motherfuckers are sitting there watching motherfuckers on screen all day, getting to know your ins and outs and trying to coach you on what the fuck to do, okay, with your motherfucking life when they want your motherfucking life. How and where they do that? Okay? So again, when it comes to the leopard or the Gemini energy, me and him are damn near identical when it comes to being visionaries and being this and that, okay? And then I feel like when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, the scorpionic energy, we're passionate and lovers. So it's the thing is, I can never probably be really split from these two motherfuckers. So they say you can't have two guys, you're gonna hate one and love the other. Well, I love both of the motherfuckers, and the motherfucker that was holding up or holding me down at least while the shit was going on. You see what I'm saying? Motherfucker don't like it, but it's the way the fuck it's gonna be. And I'm saying, I don't know if this is like, it's even this energy of Solomon. I don't even know if it's like, I'm motherfucking Solomon and these motherfuckers been running my fucking kingdom this whole time. You know what I'm saying? Or if this is the part where I'm playing God and I'm looking down on Solomon, like, Solomon, I see what the fuck you doing. So again, it depends on what dimension I'm in at the moment to see, you know what I'm saying, to see what levels or what heights I'm looking down at or looking from. When I first started, I felt as I was Solomon. All these people, all these women was calling my name. And I'm like, I'm not gay. I'm not gay. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? You know, but then at some point in time, I feel like somebody took that title, right? But then all that did was move me the fuck up. So now I'm seeing the Solomon situation play out here with a king. But that's why the king, the Knight of Pentacles keeps coming in reverse. It's time for the big payback, or even the point where these women is going to get what's due to them because of me, motherfucker. I feel like that purple coat that dude Solomon had on in that movie represents also the grapes or the blood that has been spilled or squashed within those towns, really. Okay? See, that's the only thing, because I thought that wolf was actually gorgeous. Okay? This is how people come in with religion and turn natural so-called beasts or animals. You know, we talking about like native clans that was wolf clans and bear clans, and that bear keep popping up because then again, we talking about Chicago, we talking about the Bears, we talking about motherfucking Michael Jordan, we talking about all that shit. All that shit. We talking about these motherfuckers might have all these things, and that's the difference between me and some of these motherfuckers. They got all that talent, they got all that shit, but they ain't got no motherfucking soul. That's how they can come and treat motherfuckers the way that they do. They ain't got no fucking soul. I got the motherfucking soul. And I'm going to continue to let my motherfucking soul glow. And that's what I feel about this biblical shit. It's like I've been there when the shit was written, and I can rewrite that motherfucking shit to go and customize that shit however the fuck I'm going to motherfucking make it. It's almost like the energy, because they did say that either, I don't know if what specifics we can use, that God or Jesus or whatever was going to come down and live with the motherfuckers. So I don't know if people read the Bible or not. But the most high or the powerful energy is going to be here on the plane with you motherfuckers. And it's going to be somebody that's untouchable. It's probably going to be somebody that's black, dead in the eyes of law. Meaning they don't want to use you for their political arena and all this other shit. But I'm going to dominate all that motherfucking shit. Watch. Whether I be the face of it or not. The cornerstone is still the cornerstone, whether the motherfucker being placed at the top or not. Whether it's a part of the building or not. It's either that or all your little building blocks. You know what I'm saying? Bring that shit to me if I can review it. Other than that, all your fucking building blocks, because I ain't got no time to be trying to rebuild no shit any motherfucking way. So all your building blocks, go ahead and show me what you got. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, if it ain't accurate and fair and true, motherfucker, all them motherfucking stones is going to be overturned. Overturned. So again, we got this Sodom energy. So we got, again, what they did. They took the stag. They took them to Georgia. The stag went on the midnight train to Georgia last night. Who sent them? Who the real king, motherfucking Solomon? Who the real king of Pentacles? Who need their shit back immediately? Who the fuck didn't die on the cross? Who's still living? Well, let's see. Because I feel like they try to use this energy to, you know, motherfuckers giving out flowers too early. Yeah, they trying to kill the red heifer. They want to kill the Wailing Wall, which is in Jerusalem in the Midwest. They want to slew or slaughter the red heifer. The sacred cow. The Holy Grail. Hathor. The Holy Mother. The one that stayed down with her motherfucking babies in the motherfucking pit. The real motherfucking Moshe. God, all of the above. When these motherfuckers don't act right, God got to come down and work some kind of shit out with them. Like, this is the things that I see. This must be God after Moshe was not allowed to enter into the fucking building. Yeah, they wanted to slaughter the red heifer. So they sent someone with this lineage or this name in to defile the family. Yeah. Instead of coming in with love. Right? And now motherfuckers over there, you know what I'm saying, arguing with old girl. Arguing with old girl. You know? And all I can say is, hey, I don't know. Motherfucker don't want to let me know. They blocked me. They blocked me from being able to see. They fucking put spell work on me from being able to see what they was doing so they could do all this shit behind my back. So unblock me. I don't know. What the fuck you want me to do? So I can assess the situation. What you want me to do? You see what I'm saying? See, because everybody is giving their energy to Satan. Satan is running the world from heaven. And he's fooling everybody. Nobody's excluded. Except for the motherfuckers that's in that bubble in the world card. And that's this scorpionic energy. That's this motherfucking energy. Okay? And that's that motherfucking Gemini. And then whoever this little person is that's whispering in it. It could be that little demon. Okay? It could be that represent that little demon. That feminine energy could be that little demon. The last one. The reason why Solomon lost his wisdom from what she was saying. But I don't trust no motherfucking body anyway. So I don't know. I mean, like I said, maybe this is why I'm waking up and it feels like, you know, life is going back to normal. This motherfucker trying to be all up in my face over here, the soulmate lately. And, you know, it's almost like somebody trying to rearrange some shit. But again, let's reverse that shit. We're going to move it right on back because I'm finding out and I'm catching your motherfucking ass. I don't sit down. I don't take no for it. And that's another thing you probably want to motherfucking know. I don't take no for an answer. When something is mine, it's mine. I will let you borrow that shit, play with it, whatever the fuck you want to do with it. But at the end of the day, it's coming back. Ain't nowhere else for me to go but to the motherfucking top. I don't fit in nowhere else no more. It's going to be time for a motherfucker. It's not going to be me acting right to get an apology for you to act right, for you to do what no. That shit is over. That shit is dead. That shit is over. That shit is dead. A motherfucker know what to do. You need something from me.